Florida Road Tripping. On my channel, I'll be sharing places I travel and visit in Florida and beyond. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be taking you through the beautiful city of Bellevue, Florida. This is a drive-through tour, so sit back, relax, and enjoy.
I leave that house, I run into my boss. There's always someone yelling right into my ears. So I guess it's time for me to get up and get out of here. The man who locked me up looked just like my dad. Every time I wag my tongue, it always turns out bad. And the TV keep on telling me that I should live in fear. I guess it's time for me to get up and get out of here. I guess it's time for me to get up and get gone. The killers came to do their worst and I fall down alone. I followed right behind them, my dear. I don't know where you go when you go on a trip like that. Always make me circle round like a rabbit around the track. There's water in the mountain streams, it runs by cold and clear. I guess it's time for me to get up and get out of here. A man came through with a pick and a shovel and his heart pulled back like a trigger. He held the place till he met his grace and he went to the highest bidder. Well, sometimes this world goes away and gets buried in the snow. Sometimes she will go away and she's someone I don't know. Well, maybe I'll be back around, see you sometime next year. I guess it's time for me to get up and get out of here. I guess it's time for me to get up and get out of here.
miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you? High school halls, you're the prettiest girl there ever was. Annie, darling, you're so sweet, and I'm so glad we had the chance to meet you. Caught my eye and you held my stare. I haven't broken it yet for over 50 years. Thanks for letting me lay by your side and all those kisses every night. Wow, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you? We started ourselves a family. The boys, they came 1, 2, 3, and now they have little ones of their own, and half of them are halfway grown. I followed you around the world, and I still think you're the prettiest girl. And I got to dance with my best friend, so I'm the luckiest man that's ever been. Why, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life? Why, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you?
If you just wanna ride, I'll lay next to you. Let our bodies fall easy, let my hands receive you. I'll lay next to you. Light this bed on fire, gasoline to a light. I watch you burn bright. I'll lay next to you. I'll lay space, let your dreams take flight. If they fly away, I'll hold you tight. If you fall, I'll lay next to you. Let our bodies fall easy, let my hands receive you. I'll lay next to you, light this bed on fire, gasoline to a light. I'll watch you burn bright. I'll lay next to you, I'll lay next to you. Give me space, let your dreams take flight. If you fly away, I'll hold you tight. If you fall, I'll lay next to you, I'll lay next to you. Ooh,
Okay everyone, we've come to the end of another video. I do hope that you did enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel to see where I'll go next. Until next time, bye! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.